Welcome to the Core Science. Today we are going to discuss the next lines of Pinus and Ephedra for our botany practical. So, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss the stem, male cone, female cone of Pinus and lateral section of Pinus of Ephedra. So, let's start. If we talk about the stem of Pinus, it is differentiated into epidermis, cortex and the vascular cylinder. So the epidermis is the outermost layer made up of parenchyma cell, while the cortex is the broad zone of parenchyma cell. Sometimes there may be presence of one or two layers of sclerenchyma cells also. After the epidermis and cortex, there is a presence of endodermis and pericycle, which are not clearly distinguished. After the endodermis and pericycle, there is presence of vascular cylinder. It is eustele. That means the vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. Vascular bundles are open and in dark. That means xylem is toward to the stem and phloem is outward to the stem. After the vascular bundles, we talk about the pith. Pith is small and few cells of pith are filled with racemes. After the transverse section of stem, as we know, Pinus is dimorphic. That means it is two branched. That means it is divided into long shoot and dwarf shoot. Long shoot is with unlimited growth, while the dwarf shoot is with the characteristic of limited growth. So the male cone is present on the long shoot. If we see the lateral section of male cone of Pinus, so male cone is small, it is pale brown in color, it may scare microsporophyll which are spirally arranged, and the microsporophyll bear the microsporangium, in which the motile winged microspore, or we can say pollen grains, are present. There is also a presence of cone axis in them. If we see the female lateral section of Pinus, so the female cone arises on dwarf shoot. It contains megasporophyll which are acropetal in succession. That means the younger one arrives at the apex while the older one are at base. Female cone bears ovuliferous scales which bear the ovule with them. It also bears bracket scale which are in contact with the cone axis. After the female cone of Pinus, we are going to discuss the female cone of Ephedra. The female cone of Ephedra bears megasporangium and which is bitegmic. That means two integuments are present, outer and inner. There is a presence of bracket at outside of these integuments. The integuments cover the ovule which bears archegonium and the female gametophytes. So these are the integuments having the bracket outside them. So this is the complete video lecture on the lateral sections and transverse section of Pinus and Ephedra. Thank you so much for the watching. All the very best.